Kasi inaantay ko yung may tao sa CR eh. Bakit ko na?
Can I have a...
Boy, what do you...
Let me my soul.
Yeah, sorry, Andy.
Where's Andy?
God, Andy.
What's your soap?
Nasa kwarto mo ba?
Oh, yeah. Andy. You okay? Call it. Bro. Tawa, uy.
Nagkatawa natin.
Ay, katawa, uy. Ay, katawa ka. Katawa ka. Kanina.
You're my best friend talaga eh. Napakaniing. Ibig sabihin niyan, love mo talaga ako, Andy. Best friend.
Bakit give members po ko today because of you?
Wow! Ako pa.
Bakit na ako members because of you?
Ako ba talaga, Andy?
Name after the...
Hindi yan. Uy! Ikaw din. Kagaya ka.
Yeah.
Are you gonna wear slippers or shoes? Slippers.
Slippers lang. That's why.
Guys, hindi naman sa minamadali ko kayo, pero... Use that! Get away! Get away! Get away!
Get out!
Guys, get out, get out. Guys, hindi sa pinamadali ko kayo, pero baka
Wait,
naman.
dude!
Yeah. We still have 5 minutes, bro. I need to release.
Need what?
I need to release.
Mabuti na.
Yeah.
Andi, mabuti na lang hindi ano sa...
Wala pang
Na, nasipan ni Arnola ni Russo. No, sama niyo, Pandi. Ito,
Tingnan mo. Ramos, he's been here 24 hours and he's already evil. Ako naman.
Nako.
He's evil.
Ako, lumit ko ko. Buwang, hindi, konti lang yung natapon sa kanya lahat.
Give me the rat.
Grag. Where's the... Kobe! Excuse me.
This is so embarrassing. It's not gonna be shown on TV.
Go.
It's gonna be shown on TV. May sulam ko sila.
Yun ang kumisipan. I saw your face talaga, Andy. I was like... I didn't
Tapos
even want to
nilalagay
talk
ko pa
because I was
naman
so
yung-
scared. I was so scared of Andy. She was like...
Nilalagay ko pa naman yung ano niya, yung pagkain niya sa oven.
Ano?
Ay, sa amin ko eh.
Where did I put this?
At least you guys are
Nilalagay ko yung pagkain niya kasi yung
You're
pagkain
not
niya
gonna
doon sa
tell the
lamesa. Nilalagay ko yung pagkain niya.
Okay.
At least...
Shut up,
Sige,
everyone.
sumigaw.
We're gonna tell.
Bakit ko daw nilagay dito yung Arnola?
Bakit nga dito? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Siyempre, may nakita ko sa loob eh. Alam mo, dadalhin ko. Bakit di ka tumitingin?
Bakit mo siya?
Look at this.
Kanino Arnola to? Kasalanan ko.
I'm not crying. Ay, nag-iwan kasi ng Arenola
Opo.
sa gilid.
Hindi ko kasalanan yun kasi nilagay ko nga sa gilid, di ba? Gilid nga. Ba't mo sinipa?
Hindi ko nakita kasi.
Akala niya kasi pula. Hindi, my bad. Sorry. Pero, malinis naman yung ano ko eh.
Hindi mo talaga makakalimutan si Russo.
May alcohol naman yun. Ang dami nating best moments.
Do you have sunscreen? Let's go. I want to try your sunscreen.
Mas, I'm not gonna share my sunscreen. Konti na lang.
Ha?
Konti na lang sunscreen.
Evil.
Yan.
You're really funny.
This is so embarrassing,
Well, at this point, you're really pathetic.
Excuse me.
I'm kidding.
Pathetic ko, girl.
I know. Magsasabi ka?
Sabi ko, hotdog.
I hate you. May consider ka.
That's why I wear shoes in the house.
do you do that anyway?
Guys, muna ako, pwede. Guys, muna ako.
Andy, I'm just saying, if you want shoes in the house.
Who has shoes inside the house?
Yeah, right.
Bad word. No.
Hindi, akala ko kasi magagalit si Andy sa akin tapos di ko kasalanan. Bro, hindi ko kasalanan kasi. Hindi ko kasalanan yun na sinipa.
Hindi ko sinipa, nasipa.
Pinapinwish.
You're gonna be a BMS.
I already am.
Andy, I'm so happy this didn't happen yesterday when we lifted you up. Nah, I'm not doing that. Oof, man, why did I forgot.
Ano, Andy?
BMS.
Minis. Ano na?
How? Andy, I was so scared, really. I was like, I'm pretty sure that's not mine. It's mine is like on the right.
Magkatabi kami.
And mine is empty.
Malas ka ng talaga, iwakin yung nasipa mo.
You can see Russo didn't even want to say that was his.
Ayoko sabihin na akin eh. Alam mo yung nasa isip ko? Alam mo yung nasa isip ko? FO na. FO na. Oh my God. Friendship over.
Naalala mo yung tinanong ko kung paano ko mag-awit tayo.
Ano? Baka yun yung magiging ano.
Ayun. Na-joke lang.
Hindi ko naman kasalanan yun. Hindi ko naman kasalanan yun, Andy.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Then she goes like, oh my God.
Is this me?
I was so scared. I couldn't talk for a while because
Me too, bro. I'm just looking at Andy.
Kuya ka, kuya.
I left my toothbrush toilet. I left. Relax. Ikaw ba?
Kalagot yung iso.
Kalagot. Ilabay na.
Kalagot yun. Magkapilot-pilo.
The pot. Remember the pot. Be an example.